Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on EURCAD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that EURCAD giving us a significant trading opportunity after the market opening. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade EURCAD. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly, we can see that EURCAD this market closed with a big long monthly candle. Now today, once the market opened, we saw that there is a gap opening. Now with that gap opening, highly likely that EURCAD might be coming down for a deeper pullback. Now, as there is a long rejection, we might see that EuroCAD again coming to this liquidity zone where there are back-to-back 2 monthly dodges. So, with that being said, we could see some downward movement on EuroCAD on the higher time frame perspective. Now, if I look at the weekly, we can see that from the weekly perspective, EuroCAD after this big rejection from the top, there was a red candle, red bearish candle. Now, this week with the new monthly opening and new weekly opening, we see that EuroCAD open with a gap. Now this gap in fact has been disconnected from this structure. The price completely separated, and we could see that this price coming down for a deeper liquidity gap. What I think that, as you can see, there is a double bottom here on EuroCAD. The price has broken to the upside. So when you see a double bottom breakout structure, we can expect now the price to come down and to test this previous resistance, which is turning support here, and then we could see again continuation of the long-term uptrend. So with that being said, highly likely that EuroCAD is likely to come to this previous resistance here, which is turning support here. So let's see now on the lower time frame, on the daily, how the price action is doing. Now from the daily perspective, we can see that EuroCAD on the daily, there was a big move followed by this correction. There has been another strong bearish engulfer on the daily, followed by we see that there is a gap opening and slowly movement to the downside. Now with that move, what we can expect now on EuroCAD, the price to continue to drop, as we see that there is no significant level of support to stop this price. So we can expect now EuroCAD to continue to drop. So from the intraday perspective, we see that from the 4 hour, EuroCAD has formed a double top formation and then breakdown. We saw that there was a gap opening with a long bearish engulfer. Now with that bearish engulfer, now we think that EuroCAD, we see that the price started to drop. What I think that, as you can see, there was a big movement correction with a gap opening and starting up a new strong movement to the downside. We can expect now EuroCAD to continue to drop. So this is the zone now we are going short on EuroCAD. As we have seen already a bearish engulfer, we will be going short on EuroCAD to this level with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading EuroCAD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.